only joking. It is right S.
Let's write S. S, big S, starts here. And we're going to go up and around again. There we go. Up to the top, around and cross at the middle, around and touch the bottom and come back up. That's big S. Small s is the same, but we start near the middle, right here. And we'll go up again. Up and around at the middle, and back down and cross, down to the bottom and up again. Small s. One more time, big S. Top touch and around and cross and around, touch the bottom and big S. Small s. Up to the middle, around and cross, touch the bottom and up. Small s, big S, small s.